What's going on, guys? It's your boy Stunna Breezy. Been solo sporting too long. Now it's time to get greasy. Peeps, man, this vision that I just had looking at YouTube is exactly what I thought Stunna Breezy and characters like Ray of the Bartertown Conglomerate are like behind the scenes. I'm sitting here scratching my head, folk. And Man, people been contacting me about BitNest behind the scenes, whatever the case is. Well, check this out, man. Stunner Breezy done made front page news with this. Man, you go come on, BitNest. Bam. Who does this, guys? Who does this? BitNest died on Christmas. BitNest bro split. Man, I can see this being Ray and Stunner right here, man. Man, who does this? From brother to brother, we ain't brothers. All right. Man, what in the world possessed you to drop a thumbnail like that, man? Hey, I ain't pointing the finger. I ain't judging. I'm just saying. I'm just saying. This is quite revealing. This will be the last thing on my mind to post as a thumbnail. So I don't know. This kind of falls in line with what I thought about them. But hey, take it for what you want. I'm just saying. I'm just saying. I guess crypto ain't a solo sport no more. Peace out, guys.